Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch our latest videos at very first.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am gonna solve a question which were asked in Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Samsung and Walmart and other MNC companies which are not listed here. So let's directly deep dive into the question. Before solving this, I am gonna request you to please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. So let's start. What the question is, given an array ARR of n positive integer, find key largest element from the array. The output element should be printed in descending order. So what the question is basically, we have an array of n size and we have to find out the key largest element. So let's suppose we have an array of 5 size. We have to find 3 largest element from this. We have to find 2 largest element from this. If we have an array of size 10, so we have to find 8 largest element from it, 3 largest element from it. So that basically it is. So let's see the input. What is the input? The input is n is equal to 5. This is the basically size of an array. So basically array contains 12, 5, 787, 123 and k is equal to 2. So what we have to return is, we have to return 2 largest element from this array. So the 2 largest element is 787 and 23, 787 and 23. And what the return condition is, we basically have to return in descending order. So here again test case, n is equal to 7, k is equal to 3. The 3 largest element is basically 23, 30, 50 and we have to return in descending order. So how can we going to approach this question? So let's change the platform into Java. So let's start the coding. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to sort the array and then I'm going to iterate into the array with the help of for loop from n minus k to n. Basically n minus k means, you already know I have sorted the array. Then array becomes 1, 5, 12, 23, 787. So what the element we want is 23 and 787. So n minus k means 5 minus 2. So we are iterating loop from 3, 5 minus 2 means 3 to less than n, means we are iterating this loop from 3 to 4. So what we are actually getting is, we are actually getting the element of the position of the index number 3 and the element of the index number 4. So how can we going to do? So let's first create an array. Why I am going to create an array? Because I have to return the elements in array form. That's why basically here return type is int type of array. So I'm going to create a array int lar is equal to new int of size k. Why k? Because number of element I have to return is equal to the value of k. That's why. So again I'm going to, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to sort the array with the help of arrays dot sort. So basically it sort the array. Then I'm going to start a for loop over here. For loop int I is equal to n minus k, I less than n, I plus plus. Then every time I'm going to store the element into lar array. So how can I store? I'm going to create a temp. The value I'm going to assign to the temp is 0. Then I'm going to store it on the position temp. So basically it means initially the value of temp is 0. So what value we are getting at start in the for loop are going to store at lar of 0. So arr of I. Again I have to increment the temp also, because lar 0 already filled with arr of I. Again temp increase, that means temp become 1. Then arr of I next, what the value we are getting at next are going to stored on lar of 1. So that's why I return temp plus plus over here. And lastly I have to return lar array. So finally I got this. Let's compile and run. Basically what happened is, I am storing smallest element on that. So that's why it goes like that. I have to iterate loop from n minus 1 to greater equal to n minus k and I minus minus. So I minus minus. So that's why I'm going to get the required output. Yeah, I'm getting output as 787 and 23 that are similar to the actual output. So yeah, I solved the question. And if you are gain some knowledge from this video, please like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel. So that's all for this video, and I will see you next time.